If you like driving your JL around with the windshield down but you want to go a little bit faster, today we're going to show you the perfect solution on CJ Off-Road. One of the key features of your new JL Wrangler is the ability to fold down the windshield much more easier than previous year models. If you're looking for a safe solution to hold that windshield down, today we've got the perfect fix. These Mopar Windshield tie-down brackets feature everything that you need to successfully hold your windshield down after you've folded it onto your hood. They're constructed out of a durable steel and a Velcro material that's going to ensure your windshield stays in place. Now, the recommended speed to having your windshield down is fairly low, but with these you can ensure that nothing will happen to your windshield while it is folded down. Now, we've got our 2018 JL. I'm going to show you how to fold the windshield down and get these installed. The first step of this removal process is going to be to pull the windshield wiper blades off. Now, if you got a new JL, you also got this toolkit with it, and this includes every tool that you need to drop the windshield. We're going to use this 15mm metric socket, pop those caps off, and get the windshield wipers removed. First, pop this cap off. Then underneath, you can see the bolt. Use a 15mm socket that's included with the kit to get that off. And with the bolts off, pull the windshield wiper out, and it'll pop right off. Repeat the same process on the other side. There are going to be 4 T40 bolts on top of the windshield. There's one right here and then one in the corner. Grab the T40 bit out of that included kit and get these pulled off. Same thing over here in the corner. Then repeat the same process on the other side, and you're now able to fold down your windshield. You can now slowly fold the windshield down by grabbing it up top. Maintain control of it, and just set it down lightly. Now, what you're going to do is install this metal end into this location right next to one of the screws that came out. It'll go in like so, slide over here, and then sit flush, that way it catches. Run this through the front hole here. Once it's over on the other side, make sure this is in place, pull it as tight as it can go, and Velcro it on. And take this strap, wrap it around, get that also as tight as you can, and repeat the same process on the other side. After about 20 minutes, our JL's windshield is held properly down by these Mopar brackets. It only uses the tools that came with your Jeep, and the install is super simple after you get the windshield folded down. This is a low-dollar item that's going to protect a high-dollar windshield from smashing up or potentially injuring you or your passengers. You can find these brackets as well as many other options for your JL right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.